I'm Lorraine, and these are Nantucket Lightship baskets.
And I'm Gene, and here's how we make them.
These baskets are called Nantucket Lightship baskets because they were originally made by the men who manned the lightships off the coast of Nantucket around the turn of the century. Every single basket that you see on this table has its own mould. Without the mould, there would not be this perfect shaped basket. This is the mould that this little trinket basket is made on, and this is the lid. Gene turns lids for each of these when he makes them.
There is a groove in this base that the ribs for that basket will go into all the way around and tighten into there. Then when it is woven, the basket is, the ribs cannot pull out once they're woven in tight.
And then each of these ribs or staves, that's what they look like, they've all been tapered, and they just sit into the groove, which makes it easier for me to begin the weaving. As you can see, these ribs are not fitting in tightly to that mould. By the time I'm halfway up there, I want those ribs to be tight against the mould. So therefore, I have to use tension as I weave. I get a lot of pleasure out of creating a Nantucket basket. A Nantucket basket in its construction stages is crude. There's nothing pretty about it. But when it all comes together at the end, it is such a pretty basket and it's such a wonderful feeling of achievement that we have been able to create such a pretty piece of work.
They're an American original, and we do it ourselves.